Victorian Clay Tiles Cleaning and Sealing in Windsor, Berkshire by Abbey Floor Care. This lovely Victorian clay tile floor had a dull finish from years of old surface sealer and encapsulated soil. The client wanted to see the beautiful colours on the floor again. They also wanted a long-lasting and simple-to-clean finish. I started by applying a sealer remover over the floor. The sealer remover softens the old sealer, ready for removing. I removed the softened sealer using a rotary scrubbing machine and rinsing with clean water. It took a number of applications of sealer remover to remove the old sealer. After cleaning, I left the floor overnight to dry. I used a colour-enhancing impregnating sealer to highlight the colours in the tiles. Finally, I applied a long-lasting film-forming sealer to protect the finish. If you need help with a Victorian clay tile floor, or help with any other kind of stone floor, please drop me a line at abbeyfloorcare.co.uk. I will be happy to help.